Adjustments allow you to modify orders and the products within them. To apply changes to the entire order, click the Adjustment button, choose the option you'd like to add, price or shipping. Then, enter an amount and an optional note. For price adjustments, you can enter the amount as a dollar or percentage. When finished, click Save. Order adjustments apply to all the items in an order, while item adjustments apply to individual items. To modify an item, select it, click the Quantity button, and make your changes. When finished, click Save. This applies to item price adjustments as well. You can access additional adjustments through the More Options menu. If the product has already been shipped, use the Return option to return it to inventory and remove it from the order. To remove an item before shipping, select Void from the menu. Voided adjustments and items will be hidden unless the Show All button is toggled on. Use Dropship to mark an item as dropshipped if a third party handles fulfillment. A vendor inventory is not required, but it will be decremented if it exists when the item is shipped. If a product was mistakenly excluded from a shipment, but inventory was adjusted as if it shipped, select Mark as previously shipped to indicate this without adjusting inventory. Adjustments are displayed beneath the products they affect. You can review an item's adjustment history by selecting the item in the order and expanding the section below. You can also apply item adjustments by right-clicking a product and selecting the desired option from the context menu. Using these adjustment tools, you have full control over managing and modifying orders in Tuplo Studio.